Hello everyone, my name is George Dunn. I am a professional wall covering installer and I also work at Lentex Corporation as part of their quality assurance team. Today I would like to review some of the more important details of the installation of Mylar wall covering. The Lentex Mylar wall covering is a durable Type 2 product, although it does require some special handling during the installation process. We create this elegant Mylar wall covering by fusing a very, very thin layer of Mylar to the surface of a high-traffic vinyl. This becomes the print surface and makes it a unique specialty product. Mylar laminated wall covering is extremely durable when dry, although it is susceptible to damage when it is wet. The inks and coatings that we use to create the design on the non-porous Mylar surface are naturally hydrophilic. This means that when excessive water is applied to the surface, it's more susceptible to scratching and marring. I have one strip of Mylar wall covering already applied to the wall here behind me. As I hang this second strip, I will demonstrate proper use of tools and cleaning. First and foremost, make sure that your walls have been prepped to a nice smooth finish. You should never use steel blades or other abrasive tools when installing Mylar wall covering. Always use a plastic smoothing tool, as I have here, at a 45-degree angle when working the wall covering into place. It's important that you take extra caution when smoothing and seaming on areas of the wall covering that may be wet from cleaning. One more important distinction to make for hanging Mylar wall covering is, as each strip is installed, you will want to promptly cut the seam and wash off any glue. You do not want to allow the paste under the waste edge to set up long due to the moisture content in the adhesive. Always use a fresh, clean blade when cutting seams. This makes for a nice even cut and a clean, straight edge on the seam. Wash and clean the seam with a damp sponge, followed with a clean, soft cloth for drying, as you would with any wall covering. Remember that this is a wet surface now, which makes it a little sensitive, though within a few minutes, it will be dry and super durable once again. As you can see, with a little extra attention, you can be assured of a successful installation. Now let me recap. Number 1, prepare your walls to a nice smooth finish. Number 2, when the surface of the wall covering is wet, treat it with care. Number 3, never use steel blades or aggressive tools for smoothing the wall covering into place. Number 4, cut and clean each seam as each strip is applied to the wall. For further reference, these steps are also described within the installation instruction sheets that we include in every roll we ship.